work from home jobs where you don't need a startup fee or anything. So hey, what's going on guys, it's your boy Streete, and in this video I'm going to share with you 8 sites that you can go right now and start working from home and you don't need to pay anything at all. And if you like my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, because I create videos on a daily basis about how to make money online and the tools that you need when you're making money. Now the first site I'm going to recommend to you guys is well known and everyone probably have an iPhone or something, so but you can go on Apple Jobs and start and apply for work from home jobs and start doing it. So just go on apple.com/jobs and you'll go over to this page. You can find any type of work here, and literally everyone know I'm Apple, so probably going to do some customer service or something. Anything that you choose or you have experience in, you can come here and find it. So just click get started. Now once you find a job that you want on Apple, you just send in your resume if they ask you for it or anything, and you're just gonna do probably some customer service or simple some texting person helping with some simple technical issues or anything they have available. Now the other site I'm gonna want you guys to go on is Brighton Communication. So this is where you're gonna apply for calling work. So they have other type of work there, but I would recommend this one where you can stay at home. Only thing that you need is you can see the requirements right here is a good internet connection and some other things. You're good with working over phone and stuff like that. You're good to talking to persons, and once you know that you're good with that, you're good. You just can come over here and start applying. You can make at least $20 per hour. So that's gonna be nice, and the best thing about these jobs is gonna be at your own house, so in your own personal space. You don't need to worry about any boss in your back or anything like that. Now this third site I'm gonna want you guys to go on is Amazon. You can come on Amazon, just go on Amazon.jobs and you can find any type of jobs here as well. So once you know alright, I want to do this or anything, you just come here, just search for it and do it. You even have remote jobs, and what we call remote jobs is some simple tasks that you can do. And also if you come on Amazon.com, you can actually become an affiliate for Amazon as well. That's totally free as well. Just start promoting Amazon products. Just go on Amazon.com. Now here am I on Amazon.com, so what I'm going to do is just go straight to the bottom, and you can see right here, become an affiliate. And when you become an affiliate, all the thing you'll be doing is promoting other person's products and getting a commission for it. Now if you are interested in that, you can go do it. Now the other site I'm going to recommend to you guys is Speechwriters. And once what you're going to do here, you're going to become a transcriptionist. So you're just going to translate anything that they give. So if you know you're good at that, then you can use Amazon, not Amazon, Google. So just go on Google Transcription. When they give you a text, you just put it in and then that's it. Or they have some other technique that you can do. Find someone to do it for you, and once you get the money, you can just pay them a piece of that. So that's simple and that's easy. And you can see right here their average earning and their top earning, so per month. So if you're interested in doing this, you can do it. You can look at and see the requirements. It's not a lot. And once you know you're eligible or you have the working experience and you say, hey, this is a nice type of work that I want to do, you can come over here and do it. Now the other one I'm going to want you guys to go on the site is to Fancy Hands. And Fancy Hands, you can find any remote jobs as well. You can do virtual assistants. You can find some assistant position. Once you know you're good at something, this is basically just assistance. So once you say, okay, I can be this person assistant or whatever, any type of job like virtual assistance is going to be great. You're not going to have a ton of work. Probably just going to book some meetings or some simple stuff, call some person, say simple calling, and after you're done that, then you're going to go and you're going to be getting paid to do just that. So that's easy. So if you're interested in doing that, just come on fancyhands.com and then sign up. But the other site I'm going to recommend to you guys is Model Squad, and this is, you can find any remote jobs here as well. So just come do some simple thing like customer service, go on person's social media, like monetize their social media, so you can just do that, do some simple tasks online and get paid. So if you know you're good at this and you say, okay, I can do, like, you even can say, alright, I'm going to take a position on this site, take a position on another site, and just getting income coming from all different sites. So that's what we call like multiple streams of income. So that's good. But you can come over on the sites and read up some more and say, hey, I'm interested in this. So this is Model Squad. Now the other site I'm going to recommend to you guys is Udemy. And what you're going to be doing on here, you're going to be creating courses. So people say, oh, I don't really know anything and stuff, but you can go research and stuff and just start creating courses for any simple thing that you know. Because I'm going to be honest, literally people are asking some simple questions and want to learn about some simple stuff. Even though you say you don't believe persons will be interested in doing that, or person's not going to pay for that, you don't need to worry about it. Just create the course, start publishing them, and I'm going to be honest, Udemy is going to start finding persons that want to purchase you, so they're going to market for you. You don't need to worry about any marketing. Just create the course. And I'm going to tell you guys, you probably think that person is not interested in doing this. Like, say, give an example. Probably to cut some mangoes or something, or to do something simple. You're going to say, this is too simple. Probably nobody's not going to pay for this. Do it. And you also can go on YouTube as well and start creating YouTube videos and like about courses. And once you do that, YouTube, you're not going to be getting paid to create the videos, but once you reach a certain point, you can monetize your account and YouTube is going to start paying you. So that's another good way to start making some money as well, by using YouTube and then monetizing. Just creating some simple videos around something. And I'm going to be honest, everybody I'm talking to right now, they say, hey, I'm going to start a YouTube channel, so that's the best option I would recommend. Now the last and not least, this is my favorite, this is what I do mainly, and this is affiliate marketing. And you can do affiliate marketing for this site. It's called ClickBank. Affiliate marketing is just promoting other person's products and getting a commission for it. It's very simple to do. You can do it for free. You can use like TikTok or YouTube or any stuff to just send traffic to us link that they gave. So what you do, I'm going to log in and show you something. Only thing you're going to do as an affiliate, just get a link, send traffic to it. The person want to buy it, they buy it. If not, not. That simple is affiliate marketing, but we have strategies and stuff like that how we do it. So if you like want more training on affiliate marketing and stuff like that, just check the first link below. That's going to be my number recommended way on making money online as well, so just check it out. Alright, see, I'm in ClickBank back office. Once you're here, you're just going to go on marketplace right up here. So I'm going to show you the simple way to just get the link, and once you get the link, you can, as I said, you can go on YouTube or whichever site and just start promoting it. And once you send traffic to that simple link and persons are interested, they will buy. If not, not. It's just that simple. See right here, you can see that they have a lot of different categories, so you can just pick something that you know about or you're interested in and just start doing it. So I'm just going to pick the top one, that's arts and entertainment. Alright, here you can see like the top product I'm seeing right now on this. If I promote this right now, literally if I go promote this, I'm going to get $20.96 for each sales, literally. And if I scroll down, if I promote this one, I'm going to get $180.66. This one, $22.66. So all you're going to do, you just click promote. This simple thing is going to come up. You're going to put in your link. So I'm just going to put in my tracking ID right here, and once I do that, I'm just going to generate my leads, and I will generate my link, and once I generate my link, it's going to come up. As you can see right here, you're going to get to 60% of all commissions. So for each sale, you're going to get 60% of that sale. How amazing is that? So I just copy this link and paste it on social media, start creating videos around that product, and once I create videos around that product, person is gonna say, oh, okay, I'm interested in that, I was looking towards that, and I buy it, and they will buy it and say, okay, I get 60% of that. And once I get 60% of that, I don't need to worry about anything else, because I'm not going to be doing any shipping and angling. I'm not going to be the person creating the products. I'm not going to be doing any customer service or anything like that. Those are none of your jobs, literally none of your jobs. So only thing you'll be doing is just get a link and send traffic to the link, and that's simple. So guys, if you want to hear, want to learn more about affiliate marketing, as I said, just check the first link in below. And if you want to learn want to make money online, watch videos about making money online and tools that you need when you're making money, just subscribe to my channel, because I create videos on a daily basis about how to make money online and tools that you need when you're making money.